Oh, that's what we came here for. Oh, look at the cheesy sea bass. Buongiorno guys, it's Max in Extra. Our Turkish food adventures continue. We are in Trabzon in the Black Sea region. We are here to explore its cuisine. I'm super hungry and now for breakfast we are going to a very special place. Andiamo! Oh, pilav with butter, with tereyaki. It smells butter. Yeah, thank you. It's a very good perfume. Kavurma, dana et. Oh my god, that's huge. Büyük. Oh wow. Kuru fasulye. Büyük portion.
Büyük porsiyon.
We order one big portion. Old school. We love kavurma. Oh, çok güzel. We are inside probably the oldest restaurant in Trabzon where they've been making this beautiful dish. Pilaf cooking local butter, slow cook beef kavurma and kuru fasulye. They've been making it for 170 years and it's a very old recipe. Bit of rice, meat and fasulye. Buon appetito. Mamma mia, so buttery. The meat it completely dissolves. What a breakfast. This is a breakfast of the champions. Merhaba. Merhaba. Look at this köfte. They're so heavy. Lines and lines of Akçaabat Köfte. Meşhur Akçaabat Köfte.
Kendimiz yapıyoruz.
10 numara.
10 numara.
I've been hired in Trabzon as a köfte usta. Voila. They're so thin and lean as well. It smells so good. Meşhur Akçaabat Köfte. Oh, look at what we received. Finally, the famous Akçaabat Köfte. Akçaabat, which is a small town close to Trabzon. And this thin köfte, they made of beef. The meat comes from selected cows. The secret comes from the way they are fed, with the salt and local herbs. They give a distinctive flavor to the meat. I'm mouth-watering. Let's get to köfte. Then, biber. Buon appetito. Oh. Mamma mia. Eline sağlık o. Çok güzel. 10 numara. Oh, the meat is extremely tender. I mean, take a look. So thin, almost creamy. Çok güzel. Mamma mia. Oh, that's super good. Oh, what a beautiful experience, amazing hospitality, and I think the best köfte I personally have in Turkey. Andiamo. As a dessert, we have in the most famous Karadeniz Black Sea dessert, Hamsiköy Sütlacı. Take a look. Rice pudding made with Hamsiköy milk and fındık on top. Hazelnut. Look how jiggly. It looks amazing, huh? That's what I need now. Oh yes. Buon appetito. Mamma mia. Oh, sweet, creamy. milky, vanilla, nutty. Oh, this is good. We had to order another one. Shirley finished mine, but this one is with honey and ice cream. Oh, this is a bomb. Mamma mia, look at the bomb. Let's grab it. Oh, that's it. This is illegal. Oh, the ice cream, the honey, oh, so good. And it's not actually too sweet. If you're ever in Trabzon, you absolutely cannot miss Hamsiköy Sütlacı. And next, we went for the iconic Trabzon Pide. You can have it in different shapes, with ground meat, kavurma, cheese, loaded with butter, and runny egg on top.
Evet, çıktı. Gidiyor pidelerimizi çekeceğiz.
Oh.
Sınarım.
Sen arabada bir yağ döküldü ona gitti. Ama o yazmışım mı seni ben? Koltuğa koy demişim. Koltuğa koymuşlar. Bagajda. Bagaj şu an ağzına kadar dolu da. Tamam oraya koyalım.
Ama tutayım alını verdim.
This is the moment I've been waiting for so long, probably 1 year, trying Trabzon Pide in Trabzon, in the best spot ever. Meşhur Terminal Pide. Take a look. This beautiful pide with cheese, veggies, kavurma, local butter and egg. Let me get this piece with cheese. Oh, and what they do here, they dip it in the runny egg. Oh, mamma mia! Buon appetito! Oh, çok güzel. This is on another level. The cheese, the egg, the kavurma, the butter. Super good. Usta, eline
Güzel, süper.
10 numara, 20 numara.
20 numara, süper, müthiş.
Is the best usta, pide usta in Turkey.
Aynen.
Teşekkürler, çok
Afiyet
teşekkür.
olsun.
Our Trabzon food tour would be incomplete without having the famous Kuymak. Made with cheese, butter and cornmeal, this dish will make your mouth water. Oh, that's what we came here for. We just received our beautiful Black Sea-style Turkish breakfast. Look at all the spreads. We start from the beautiful Kuymak. Mamma mia. With butter, cornmeal, and tons of cheese. Moving on, egg with kavurma, beef kavurma, bit of olives, pickles. This is elva, tintaini, maybe honey, and jam. Local cheese, eggs, and these beautiful, lovely homemade pancakes. But Turkish breakfast cannot start without tea, so let's pour some chai. Some Black Sea chai, probably the best one in Turkey. Let's start from the Kuymak. Here's some bread. Oh, that's so rich. Mamma mia. How do I even break it? Look at the layer of butter. Oh, buon appetito. I think it's one of the most satisfying things I've had. So stringy, creamy, buttery, cheesy, and made with love by the ladies. What a beautiful place in a nice environment. Really, really good. I love it. Let's try eggs with kavurma. Ooh, meat is so tender. Okay, let me try these beautiful homemade pancakes with a bit of honey. Ooh. Oh, this is perfect. Let me try this suburek, this crispy looking börek. Looks like a spring roll. Oh, let me dip it inside the kuymak. Kuymak. Oh, mamma mia. Oh. Buon appetito. That is illegal. Once in Trabzon, you must have Kuymak, guys. If you don't have this style of breakfast with Kuymak, you miss everything. We are here with Mustafa Usta. Thank you so much for welcoming us. He's going to show us the preparation of some of the most popular fish dishes here in Trabzon. This is sea bass.
Sea bass.
This is one of the main fish dishes here in Trabzon. Ulama, fresh sea bass, sliced, put in homemade tomato sauce with garlic. This is like fish menemen.
Tereyağı.
Oh, butter. It doesn't get any better than that. Second dish, bit of salt, fresh mesquite. Oh, with eggs.
Kavyar.
Kavyar, evet.
Kavyar.
Yumurta.
Yumurta.
Evet. Oh. Mesgit kavyar. Karadeniz kavyar.
Karadeniz.
Mesgit tava.
Mezgit tava.
Evet. While in Trabzon, you absolutely cannot miss their famous seafood. And depending on the season, you can get fresh mesgit, otherwise anchovies. During the cold season, wow, that looks amazing. They're gonna fry. Wow. Ooh, fresh salmon. Salmon. Karadeniz salmon.
Karadeniz soğuk.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, take a look. Oh, wow. We're gonna have fresh salmon kebabs. I can even have it like that. Without cooking it. Biber. A piece of pepper and a piece of Karadeniz salmon. Oh, look how colorful. And now they're going to cook them all. We are here with Hülya Usta, ulama. Oh, look at the butter on top. Oh. 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 Oh, flip it. It smells incredible. Wow. This is a fish cake. Kaşar.
Evet.
Mamma mia. Çok sıcak. Oh, mamma mia, look at the cheesy sea bass, melting cheese, butter, garlic, homemade tomato sauce. Oh, that's what we came here for.
Sos.
Wow. Homemade sauce.
Afiyet olsun.
Çok teşekkürler. Eline sağlık. Alright guys, I'm mouth-watering, but I want to walk you through these beautiful starters. These are sarma, grape leaves stuffed with spiced rice, then boiled potatoes, people eating it with this local cheese, and the stars of the day, bulama, levrek, menemen, is a sea bass with cheese, homemade tomato sauce. Then we have this lovely cake, I call it seafood cake with white fish and caviar in the middle. And salmon kebabs covered in this beautiful homemade sauce. Let's start. All right. This is very popular in the Black Sea region. Huh? I must try. Oh, look at the spiced rice. A bit spicy. The rice is between al dente and well cooked. It's perfect. The moment has come. Fresh bread and levrek. Mamma mia! Look how cheesy. Oh, look at this beautiful white fish. Buon appetito. Oh, mamma mia. Usta. Bulama. Efsane. Çok güzel. Eline sağlık. Mamma mia. Oh, it's so good. Oh, the fish is extremely tender, meaty. The cheese and the butter don't overpower the flavor. The tomato sauce is very delicate. This is a 10 out of 10. Dish number 2. Let's squeeze a bit of lemon. And then let's go for this beautiful mezgit. Oh, I think the caviar is in the middle. Okay, let's try the caviar first. Mamma mia. Let's try it out. There is the bone in the middle. Get rid of it and get the meat. Oh, no oil at all. Just need to get rid of the bone and you're good to go. And the last dish, take a look at this beautiful salmon kebab. Oh. Oh. Oh, so meaty. Oh, what's that? Again, çok güzel. Mamma mia. So meaty. The sauce makes a difference. Lemon, chili, salt, and olive oil. Let's grab a piece, dip it in the sauce, and the last bite. Now we are talking. Oh wow. Can't get wrong with seafood in Trabzon. I think we found the best spot. Amazing people, amazing owners, top-notch hospitality, great quality. That's it for today. We had a great time in Trabzon. We met friendly locals. We had some incredible food. It was a fun experience. See you next Sunday and ciao!